Y.H.F, China's leading ESD vinyl flooring manufacturer, offers a comprehensive range of anti-static vinyl flooring solutions. Our lineup includes the 1800 series carbon fiber loaded ESD vinyl flooring tiles, 2000 series carbon fiber loaded ESD vinyl flooring sheets, and the 2100 series carbon free conductive ESD flooring sheets. Each product is engineered to meet stringent electrostatic discharge (ESD) control standards, ensuring safety and reliability in sensitive environments. Understanding the differences between product types, particularly in terms of thickness and conductive material distribution, is key to selecting the right flooring solution for your application. For both the 1800 series and the 2100 series, the 3mm thickness delivers excellent performance, combining superior durability with stable and consistent conductivity throughout the product's lifespan. In contrast, the 2000 series sheets utilize 2mm carbon black particles as the conductive medium. The standard thickness of 2mm ensures a uniform and effective distribution of conductive particles. However, when produced at a 3mm thickness, the dispersion of these particles may become uneven, potentially affecting conductivity performance. For this reason, we strongly recommend the 2mm version of the 2000 series for optimal electrostatic control. When choosing ESD flooring, consider not only conductivity performance but also installation environment, mechanical wear resistance, and long-term maintenance. Y.H.F's expert team is ready to assist you in evaluating your specific requirements and guiding you toward the ideal solution that balances performance, cost, and compliance.